Shastra, and so whatever is said in Shastra is not up there or to somewhere else. It's actually happening to all of us. ऐसा हम लोग रिलेट करते तो इतना बढ़ जाते फिर. एंड भक्ति इज सो मच हैपनिंग विद अस ऐसा. सो ये है रिकमेंडेशन के बारे में. इफ इट इज़ द केस विथ टू कंडीशन डेफिनेटली ऐसा ऐसा जीवा. इसीलिए आई एम लाइक माई होप इज़ वेरी बिग नाउ. आई नो आई एम वेरी फॉल्टी, बट मेरी होप तो इतना बिग है, इतना बिग बढ़ गया, इतना बिग बढ़ गया कि आई डोंट केयर इफ आई फॉल्स और नॉट. इट डजेंट इवन मैटर, क्योंकि रिकमेंडेशन बहुत चलता है, बहुत चलता है ऐसा. सो दैट्स वाई वेरी होपफुल, हेल्पलेस बट वेरी होपफुल, सो होपफुल, ग्रेटफुल, जॉयफुल. ऐसा जॉय वैसा मिलता है, ऐसा नहीं, यहाँ कुकिंग से नहीं. सो होपफुल, so grateful, so joyful. Japa or outside japa, the general mood of a Vaishnava. ऐसा वो है. Just to get this point at seminars हो जाता है. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ, 3 day seminar, 1 week seminar, ये सुन रहे हैं ना हम लोग. Just to get this point. And even after 1 week seminar also, we do not know if this point is taken or not. Travel time, external commotion ज़्यादा होता है. And in a different setting, it's just it's a lot of distraction. ये श्लोक आता है, ये वर्स आता है, और ये कथा आता है, ये सब आता है for what? To convey this. अब जो कुछ भी हम लोग को convey हुआ ना in regards to the recommendation and faith, ये है. This is not ordinary. इसीलिए when we say Gaura is merciful, it's not that there will be a heading, okay, in this form I'll be merciful to you. No. Repeatedly we are showing Gaura, we want to do this seva. हमारे कीर्तन में कुछ when we are saying it's only Hare Krishna, कुछ अंदर नहीं है, but see how he is working. Mercy comes like this, not in a way that we are looking and heading for in a certain time. ऐसा नहीं, it's just making its way and getting in. ऐसा. Yeah, that was regarding the faith one. And regarding the service, अंदर जाने के बाद श्रील प्रभुपाद स्टेटमेंट बढ़िया. माता जी, this is Gaur Nitai Mala. There are many things, you can find it in many places, many things, but specifically I'm saying this as Gaur Nitai Mala. You will be initiated soon. You are already initiated, so I can say this is Prema Nama Mala. I'm only saying the word, and in the future, wherever this word comes, then you know you have. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Just because you are coming to Gaura Seva, you are getting this. Yeah? So, Prema Nama Mala, but we are just calling it as Gaura Nitai. Blue and orange as this is for Sankirtan. We can use it. We can honor it during Sankirtan. Or if you want to do it when we are clean, especially, then if we are doing japa or altar seva, you may want to use your